Alright, so we ended up picking up that boat down on the Cape. This is a 12-foot V-hull Duratec aluminum boat. It's in pretty decent shape. We're going to get into some of the specifics on this model, but overall it's a great boat if you're out as, freshwater fisherman, going saltwater, or if you just need a tender to get to your bigger boat. So it is an aluminum boat, so it's very lightweight. I mean, this is a 12-foot boat, probably weighs about, 80 to 100 pounds. Was able to handle it on my own to maneuver it out of the truck bed. So again, lightweight but durable. That's what we're looking for here. So let's get into what actually makes this a pretty decent find. So you'll notice lines are nice and straight. Everything's intact. There's no loose bits. Nothing's wobbly. Got a real solid handle. It's lightweight. And as we walk through, you'll notice, all the ribbing's in good shape, nothing's cracked, no rivets are popped out, nothing's overly exposed, nothing's loose, nothing's not where it's supposed to be. So just getting a good shot on the rear handle area. You'll notice some oxidization on the aluminum. This is mostly just from salt water exposure, but we'll be able to fill that in with an adhesive compound, and that'll be no issue to fix up and won't have any issues with structural integrity down the road. So oar locks were in good shape, oar lock holders also in good place. A little chain so you can't attach it. Once you're in the water and it's wavy, things are going to start moving around. That's if you're in freshwater or saltwater, so that's always nice. Just taking another quick view from the front over here, and I'll flip this over and we'll take a look at what we got going on the bottom of it. Flip this thing over. Again, very lightweight boat. I was able to handle doing this on my own. No big crash landing or anything like that. So we'll just take another walk around and go from there and kind of point out some things. So that looks like rust. That's actually not the case. It's just some old paint for the bottom. Aluminum cannot rust, but it will oxidize. And you'll notice here, we got a few instances where you can see it. It kind of looks almost like a dry rot, but we'll be able to get that fixed up. We're going to end up probably sanding and grinding that down, and then either welding in some filler spots, or, oh yeah, look, it's real bad over here. But again, more of a cosmetic thing. No dents, no big hiccups, nothing where it's like, oh shoot, I really did, crash into a rock last time and I've got a few decent dents. So it's not the case here. We got nice solid lines, good seams, and similar to a car when you're like trying to check out rocker panels for rot and whatnot, same thing with like the major points on the boat, where the seams meet, where the welds meet, where the rivets meet, and making sure that that's watertight. By the end of this restoration project, we'll fill it with water. We'll just use the hose from the side of the house, but we'll check for any weeps, leaks, anything like that. So one of the things that's always a nice bonus when looking out for boats that you're trying to restore is some of the accessories that previous owners are just trying to get rid of when they get rid of a boat. So in this case, I kind of really lucked out. Got a nice decent anchor with plenty of rope line actually. A decent set of oar locks, and if we sell this and someone wants to use it as a tender or a dinghy or whatever, you got the secured line right here too as well. Overall, this was a really good find. Filming this is September 2023. We picked this up for $250. When we're done with this restoration process, we're going to be able to put this on the market and hopefully get closer to 500. Plus, again, we have all these accessories kind of help you with your upsell too, so you are kind of more consistent with staying firm on your price. You say, hey, I got the boat and I have all these accessories with it. This is what it's worth. Alright everyone, so there you have it. Some initial impressions, outline of what to look for when trying to find an aluminum boat for restoration purposes. Alright, thanks everybody.